The future of virtualization, exploring XenServer innovations and trends. The evolution of virtualization. From server virtualization to network virtualization and virtual storage, the technology has revolutionized the way IT infrastructure is managed. XenServer, the future of virtualization. XenServer, an open-source hypervisor platform developed by Citrix Systems, is at the forefront of virtualization innovation. With its robust virtualization solutions and powerful management tools, XenServer offers organizations a reliable and secure platform for running virtual machines. Innovations in XenServer. The platform's virtual desktop infrastructure (VDI) capabilities provide users with a seamless and responsive virtual environment, enabling remote access to applications and resources. Trends in virtualization. As virtualization continues to gain traction in the IT world, several key trends are shaping the future of this technology. Conclusion. As organizations continue to embrace virtualization to optimize their IT infrastructure, XenServer remains a top choice for businesses looking to harness the power of virtual technology